Alright, so we're going to remove a handful of these screws to remove this cover, and this is extremely easy to replace your battery. And we're going to remove this portion. You're going to have to hold this down and remove this, and you can remove some of the debris there as well. We've got two other screws, one here and one here. And we're going to carefully remove that. And this one already has the extended life battery on it. We're going to pull it out and then replace it with an exact extended life battery right here. And then we're going to recharge it for at least 12 to 16 hours based on what it tells you. These are nickel metal hydride batteries. And we're just wanting to line up the leads with this portion right here. So we're going to put the battery on, and then we're going to put the cover back on along with this, and that will finish up. What I suggest you do is that there's some parts right around here that you clean out where you can of a little bit of the dust, and I'll show you how to put it back together. Okay, so we're about to put this back on. We're here, click on both sides, and the screws are left inside here. And as you notice, the screws are still inside here, and if you're needing to place this, the parts on the Amazon link below, real quick fix, and it comes pre-charged a little bit, so you know it's going to be working. But this is the model that we're going to be using. This is a 600 series. This specifically is a 645. So you're going to have various Roombas that are purchased from different locations. This one was purchased from Sam's, all the same battery.